Guys, welcome back to another video. So today was our first day of school. Well, still is, but Garrett's pretty much done. Tucker only has 2 things left to do. So it's 11:30 and we're almost done for the day. The first day of school is usually pretty.
Lego.
Tucker wants to show you his Lego. He took apart the other one. He built the camper. I don't know if you saw it. And then he rebuilt it. It's like a 3-in-1 thing. So we are getting ready to eat lunch and finish up school. And so I'm going to throw you back to Garrett's birthday the other day, and maybe, I don't know if we went to a lake and had a little bit of fun for the end of school. I mean, the end of summer. I don't know what I'm talking about. I'm tired. Anyway, so I'm going to throw you back to Garrett's birthday. We had a lot of fun, and it was just a good day. And then we'll come back to today, and I'll probably share whatever we do for lunch and dinner and whatever else we get up to today. So I hope you guys enjoy today's video.
So a few days before Garrett's birthday, we decided to hop in the car and take a little road trip. We didn't get to go to the beach like we wanted to, but we took a little drive and went to Granger Lake, and we had a ton of fun. We had never been here before, so it was something new for all of us, and it was just fun to check out a new place. Dogs aren't allowed in the actual, roped off swimming area, so we found this quiet little spot under some trees, and there was no one else around. We had this all to ourselves. We had shade. It has like a rocky little beach, and the water was pretty clear, and it was cold, and it was just so nice. Like, we just spent the day swimming and playing, and then we took a little drive to see the dam on our way home and kind of took the long way around. We had a picnic lunch, and everybody had a good time. There were supposed to be some storms coming in, so on our way home, we just decided to get some McDonald's for dinner and take the scenic route. And so we stopped at a park and ate our McDonald's, and we made a friend, this little goose, and he wanted our French fries so bad.
Hi, Mr. Goose. He brought all of his friends with him. He said they got French fries over there.
This year we did a Wings of Fire theme for Garrett. He's been loving the books, and so I did the best I could with his cake like I always do, and I think it turned out great.
Ready?
Yes. Whoa! That's cool, Mom.
What do you think?
That's really cool.
You want to eat it now?
Yes. These are edible.
They are not.
So they're...
Once the boys went to bed, we got started on decorating. This is always so much fun to do and see how it turns out. Every year the boys get a little birthday surprise when they wake up, and it's just so much fun to get it all set up and see their reactions in the morning. Later in the day, we had lunch at Panda. That's what Garrett wanted, with his grandpa, and then all of his cousins came over to sing happy birthday and have some fun.
Happy birthday.
Whoa! Shiny! Happy birthday! Yeah, man! Cool!
What do you think?
Really cool. I guess you just got a really long sausage. That was
No
really
one said open presents.
This is a present card.
You ain't gonna read the front of it?
I thought it was just shiny.
Happy birthday to you.
No.
Be gentle.
What did you do? Ooh. Kid. A Minecraft chicken jockey. Sweet. I've always wanted paper. Chicken jockey. Chicken jockey. More paper. More clothes. More Minecraft. Definitely. Yeah, it's awesome.
Let me see. Brother present.
Yeah, gone jockey. It's upside down.
Outside.
If you want the jockey to be the chicken. I guess I didn't get no pump. It's what he's always
You're
wanted.
doing it. You're doing it.
Ooh! I missed something in it. It's more paper. That's cool.
Angus, can you not?
It's reversible. It's reversible. Let's put
Wait.
That's funny.
Paper. Yes, the whole series.
Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, dear Garrett. Happy birthday to you. Make a good wish.
So for lunch, the boys ended up having some leftover pizza and fruit and yogurt, and I just made a grilled sandwich on sourdough with some cheddar and Monterey Jack cheese, some turkey, pepperoni, red onions, and banana peppers. And this was super delicious. Once we got done with school and lunch, Adam was home and he decided to make some roasted garlic to make our dip for our artichokes for dinner. So he just added some salt and pepper, some lemon pepper because we make a lemon butter dip for artichokes, and then he threw some butter on there and wrapped this up in foil. And we just stuck this in the air fryer at 400 degrees for about 30 minutes until it was roasted and delicious. Once the garlic was all done, we just squeezed it out into a bowl and added in some butter, and we'll add some more butter later. And this is going to be the base for our garlic dip. We're also getting started on our beans. We're making beans and rice for dinner, and this takes quite a while.
This is why you check your bag of beans. That's a wasp. Ew.
So in our pot, we have a pound of red beans minus the wasp that was in the bag. Gross. And then we're adding in 4 cups of chicken broth, and while these are cooking, we'll add in water as needed. The weather started to get a little bit nasty, so we all just sat around playing video games, and Adam took a nap, and I decided to sit in my room where it was quiet and work on editing a video and reading my book. Once our beans were getting close to done later in the afternoon, we're cooking up half a package of bacon, and we're also going to cook up half of this smoked sausage. We're just going to get these all cooked until they're brown and crispy and delicious. And then we're going to add in a cup of brown rice and let this kind of toast for a little bit in the pan before we add it to our beans in the pot. Now we're just going to add this into our beans, and we'll add some more water if we need it. And then we're just going to season this. This is super simple. We're adding in some liquid smoke and some Frank's Red Hot sauce. And then we're going to season it with some garlic powder and onion powder and salt and pepper. And then we'll add in some of this Trinity seasoning. This is celery, onion, and green pepper. And we'll also throw in some Tony's Creole seasoning. Now we're just going to put on a lid and let this cook until that rice is done. And this dinner always turns out so delicious. We steamed a couple of artichokes to go along on the side. And then we made some frozen biscuits. I get these from H-E-B and they are so delicious. These are my favorite biscuits. Besides homemade, of course. So here's our red beans and rice all done. This was so good. This was similar to like Popeye's red beans and rice. And then we have our biscuits and our artichokes and then our garlic butter dip. And this dinner was so delicious on a rainy, yucky day. And we had tons of leftovers left over for the next day. As always, thank you guys so much for watching and spending some time with us today. And we'll see you guys in the next one.